Sunday. Today we had a side session.
But it's I can see a lot of chlorophyll.
We are starting. I see you going into that room. It's inappropriate. We are moving into this way. Our chair has said. Hello.
Hello.
Hi. It is poetic and scientific.
It's a living
poetic and scientific. It is the embodiment of the false division between science and art. It's about. So they can refurbish themselves.
But this is what they strive to survive. They're not under a natural environment. It's not supposed to be like that.
Sean working
Feel the touch around us as our biodiversity is. It's what we must engage with because it's fundamentally. And this Living Beehive speaks to that link between the past and the future. And that link is, I think, what COP17 must provide to successive generations. Legacy, that link between our past and our future, that must define.
That's right.
Oh, you hold it on the other side.
Okay. No, cut here, between your hands.
Between, yeah.
Yes.
Then you hold it.
Wow!
There were a few green champions. Oh, yes! Who told us that you can come? There were a few green champions. Oh, yes! Who told us that we can come Christmas time? Christmas time and it'll all be bird road over.
selling Christmas trees. And then all of that captures drains onto the floor, all goes back. And 2 days ago we had floods like Should we get once more? Just one more.
To me, it's very lovely. I really like the structure and I support it, and I hope everyone can use this structure. If they've got enough, I mean, it's very lovely. I think it's going to be cold without a ceiling here. You can sit even the very hot in Durban, you can sit and have something that's going to be a function or presentation over here can be done very lovely.
I want to give people a space to meditate, to think, and to reflect a little bit about how we engage with nature and what do we get from it. And most importantly of all, how do we excite our youngsters to see the value both in terms of economic value and social value, but also spiritual value, and just plain enjoyment. I think we mustn't forget the importance of just plain enjoyment of nature. So,
indigenous knowledge being used together with science and biodiversity to create solutions for the climate change.
My main objective with creating weird stuff and interesting stuff with gardening is so that we bring more excitement into, first of all, indigenous gardening and also into gardening itself, your local house, your backyard, bringing some excitement. A lot of times if you go into a nursery or retail centre, it can be extremely boring. You get the same plants, the same old. By having this and having the local people coming through, it actually just opens your mind. Just think out of that little bubble you're in, and it opens so many doors.